To adjust the height of the lower section, first extend the valve stem. To do this, first fully open the hydrant. Then unhook the spindle bearing and close the hydrant so that the spindle bearing is lifted onto the upper retaining groove. When the height is reached, set the spindle bearing onto the retaining groove and open the hydrant once more. In doing so, the main valve is pulled from its seat. Once the hydrant is fully open, the valve stem can be pulled out. Now pull the protective sleeve upward. Loosen the bayonet lock using an 8 mm hex key until the screw thread is visible. Then release the round clamp and rotate the telescopic pipe half a turn anti-clockwise to the stop. Press down to release it so that it can now be pushed in or pulled out. Adapt the position to the terrain, then rotate the telescopic pipe clockwise as far as it will go. To secure, tighten the round clamp evenly on both sides with 20 Newton-meters. Apply pressure from above to test whether the telescopic pipe is secure. Then pull the protective sleeve down again. Now adjust the valve stem according to the number on the telescopic pipe. The valve stem is delivered ex-works in position 9. If the hydrant needs to be extended, keep 9 set at the top and extend the valve stem at the bottom. In other words, set positions 10 to 15. If the hydrant needs to be shortened, shorten from above, in other words, numbers 1 to 9. Replace the correctly adjusted valve stem. Press the bearing down gently by hand so that the saddle of the spindle bearing can be hooked in. Hang up the safety catch, then lastly close the hydrant fully.